I held it in. Shit.
One way to start it off.
Damn, girl. I don't even know if I can drink enough Pepsi to even compete with that. This is not even a competition anymore. Let's see.
Well, you're not going to be drinking anything.
That's how spectacular you are, and you should be proud of yourself. We can't all be beautiful and talented like you are. I'm so sorry. This is hard work.
Oh, yeah.
How do you do that? My burps aren't that long.
I've been practicing for years.
But all I do is burp. I don't even like fart. I don't even like. I hardly ever fart because all I do is burp. But apparently mine are. They just come out in like zillions of tiny burps instead of like one good burp or one good fart. Oh, look at the shadow. It makes them look good. You look like a pirate.
Arr, burps.
That didn't come out how I wanted. Oh my gosh. Teach me your ways. Holy shit. I shouldn't swear that much, but oh my god. Oh, that's just so strong. I'm just gonna pretend that that came out of my mouth instead of your mouth.
Stand over you.
Yeah. I'm just. You'll be the teacher and I'll be the student.
Be my mentor.
Yeah. Just teach me your ways. This is still way too strong. I feel it now. I feel my bad decisions.
There you go.
I want them to be bassier.
I'm the Phantom of the Opera. Oh, I just swallowed that one. It'll come up later, though. There it is.
Wow. Wow. I'm just gonna pretend like my tiny burps are sexy and because I'm real good at tiny burps. You're carrying the show now. Oh my god.
Mine just kind of sound like Chewbacca.
Damn girl, we all want our burps to sound like Chewbacca, okay? Might sound wet. Oh man. I'm gonna use that as my excuse. Hey, that was okay, right?
Yeah. Kind of fan yourself off. To burp.
Yeah, this is so much work. I'm like hot.
Because you are.
This is hot, sexy work.
I just can't make a sexy face like you do. Cover girl.
That's the secret to all the girls on the magazines, is like that one shot, they're like burping. Any girl who's ever like this on a cover?
Yes.
It's because she was burping. Oops. I wanted it to be big. Yeah, see? It was perfect. It was perfect. I bet if I screen kept that one spot right there, it'd be like, maybe she's born with it. Wait, no, that's Maybelline.
Maybe it's Maybelline. Oh, I just swallowed it. I hate that.
Stop. I feel like a bunch in my stomach, but they won't come out the way I want them to.
Yeah.
Because we've had so much carbonated liquid now. Oh,
There they are.
there you go. What were you saying? What was that?
Anything. It was just like.
Finish off with some jazz. Every time I burp, I feel more vodka.
I know.
I feel more alcohol hitting my system. Oh, dang. I had a semi-decent one, but then your giant, beautiful burp just was like, too bad. You thought you had a thing, but you were wrong. Nope. I look like I'm concentrating real hard.
Look like a pirate. Yours is better.
I can't do that, though. I don't know how you do that. No, it won't come out if I do that.
There you go.
Was that good?
Mm-hmm.
Did I look like a pirate? I have a harder time letting them out if I do it like that. See?
That's the only way I can do it. I feel like my farts like, or like my burps, my farts. Gotta do the one quick sneak.
That's what everybody does, though. You can't even. Have you ever tried? Because I've tried, like, just sitting there and not leaning to the side and trying to fart because it doesn't happen.
One cheek sneak. That's the way to go. It's like my lips do that.
Wait, just try it the way that I do it. Oh. See, you can do it.
It's harder.
That's how I feel about trying it your way. It doesn't happen the same. Wow, you sound like a growling animal.
You're like brewing inside. It's like, yes.
Toil, toil.
Mixing the potions for the burp.
Yeah. That one was wet. I don't know how you learn to burp that way. Like, why would you're like, I have to make a face.
It's all in the face.
Yeah. Instead of
That was cute.
I wish just once we could both have like this epic burp at the same time that would just like blow everybody away, but it's not gonna happen because
That would make your whole computer crash down.
oh yeah, that would be way too much.
Too
It would
much
just be like,
awesomeness. Nope. I can't. I don't even.
As it happened, see, I tried to make the face and it just stopped. It was like, stop going in that. Against your natural instincts. That brutal. Okay, once again, I am just never, ever, ever gonna win. Never. Okay, do a cute, like last time, but
I can't do that.